In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Netflix subscription in 2020 and beyond. So if you want to get rid of Netflix, you want to cancel your subscription, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. Let's get started right now. So you want to go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you can click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and then you'll see Manage Profiles, Account, Help Center, and Sign Out of Netflix. You want to click on Account, and then that's going to take you over to your account page, where at the top left you'll see Account and then Membership and Billing, which beneath that you'll see Cancel Membership. Click on Cancel Membership, and that's going to take you over to this page where you can get rid of Netflix or cancel your membership. You simply want to click right there if you want to, and you can click right there on Finish Cancellation, and that's pretty much how you can cancel your membership on Netflix. Now, please keep in mind that the cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period. So for me, that's the 28th of April. But that can change that can vary for everyone. So that's pretty much how to do this. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments down below if this worked, and then I'll see you next time. Peace out. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.